Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, I know that I said that my last video, I know that I said my next video was going to be Dell Destruction, but this is the kind of a behind the scenes video, kinda. Like literally like 2 minutes after after the last video, and I'm going to show you like how I scrap stuff. So, first of all my bins, last one down there is transformers, wire ends, wires, copper, just metal, like that's just the, like aluminum and steel and all that stuff, because I really don't care to separate. Like, I know that it's probably more money if I do separate it, but, I don't know how to separate things, so whatever. And circuit boards. I don't know why I'm picking that, but it works pretty good. Why even is that? I do not know. Oh, I think it's part of the lens, actually. Alright, so first things first. Wires. That's what I like to do first. All sweaty. Where do you plug in? Up there, I think. Yep, there. Okay. Wire cutters. I don't know where my wire cutters are, actually. It's not the ones I like to use, but whatever. I'll use them for now, because I don't know where my other wire cutters went. So let's go snip. Oh, that's and then snip. Ugh. Okay, and what the ribbon cable can stay because it does not want to be cut or taken off. Alright, there you go. That goes into the wire bin. I don't like these ones because they're all stiff, but maybe I can just WD-40 them. Unfortunately, I don't have WD-40 right now, but once I do get some, I'm going to lubricate these things because they are really stiff. Okay, and this goes in circuit boards. SOD does it. Again, this is kind of like a behind the scenes video. Alright, so usually I take those, or I used to take them out, but then I realized, oh yeah, whatever, I don't really care. Fortunately, a lot of my tools are really dull. So yeah, if you hear me grunting, that's why. Why is that in there? Go in there. Right now the antenna. Let me just go snip right there. Guess I can also get that. That. Ooh, the transformer's warm. I wonder why. I really do wonder why it's warm. I'm really sweaty. come out. Alright, that works too. That works too. Alright, well, now after I break the antenna, now it finally comes out. Makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Now y'all can't see. Y'all gotta see. Alright. That comes out. That comes out. I can't see that. Alright, and that just goes into the boards. Transformer! Hello! Fortunately, a lot of this thing is already quite broken, so it's not that entertaining to watch. Oh, I don't know why I threw that in. Circuit boards, whatever. I don't care. We can fish it out. I can't tell if that's thunder or fireworks since 4th of July was only a couple days ago. Right, and that can just go into wire ends. And I do promise that I will post more videos of me scrapping stuff out. And probably next thing that I do is probably going to be the Dell. Okay, and this, sometimes I like to take off the shield, sometimes I don't. Depends on how I'm feeling that day. Usually I do. And it also does depend on how hard it is to, undo, which in this case it's not that hard. Alright, goes in there. That peels off, goes in there, and then that misses, I guess. Safety. And boards. Oh, and also, random unimportant note. Here's my vise. It's an old 4.5 inch Sears. I specifically got it for 2 reasons. 1 or 3. 1, it was only 20 bucks. 2, it's a Sears. And 3, I need a vise. I'm just going to cut that. I do not care. Okay. You know what? The wires are the same. So I can't get them out. Which is unfortunate because I don't want to leave the wires in there, but luckily it's like so little that it's like it's not even gonna matter in the long run. Okay, and there. That I don't know where that can go. That can stay down there to assorted metals because I don't know where else to put it. This. It has motors on it, so yeah, assorted metals. But yeah, that was kind of a short video. Well, I guess it wasn't necessarily short. It was 11 minutes, but still, whatever. It wasn't. Yeah, we do also have a speaker, which usually I don't care enough to scrap the speakers, but since it's for a video and I kind of need content. Whatever. Alright, just gonna cut that. Which again, usually I don't scrap out the speakers, usually I just throw them in assorted metals. But, yeah. And also, if y'all can, leave some tips in the comments. No, I should have blown it. It's classic. Alright, I do not know if that made it in the trash or not. Probably not, considering how bad my aim is. So I can't. I see why. Come out, copper. It's all soggy, so it's hard to get it out. There we go. Well, that's a dog. Oh. But also that's brass. Alright, that's all the cardboard that I can get off of it. There's still more, but it's really hard to get it off. Oh yeah, this is brass. Oh yeah, I already said that. Alright, there we go. That was kind of a boring video, but whatever. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn notifications. You'll see me in another video. I also, by the way, other bins, motors, PCI cards, and that is RAM down there. And back behind my trash can is motherboards, since they are too big to fit in my little trash can. Alright, well, bye-bye. Also, I would like to put these in recycling, but Waste Management doesn't like molded plastics. So, yeah. Ooh, I missed something. This. Oh. Alright, there we go. Anyways, bye-bye.